Hey, paper crafting friends. Thanks for popping in. I wanted to share with you the winner of the November 2020 Kiwi Club Kit Collaboration put out this month by several different people on YouTube. So remember to do that. I have to go to each one of these links and grab the comments and we'll see who the winner is. So I'm going to go ahead and grab my link first. And we really appreciate you guys tuning in and watching these videos. It brings us a lot of joy. So I am going to get comments. So I had 27 comments on mine. I'm going to come down and start the raffle. And it looks like Trudy Sprunger is the winner, is the name from my channel. So why am I having trouble highlighting this? Whoa. Okay, this is going to be a comedy video today, apparently. I'm just trying to highlight her name. It's so funny. I've never had it bounce off before like this. So I guess I will just go type it. So I'm going to put her in the wheel of names. And remember, I'm going to get a name from each site, from each of the YouTube videos, and then we'll spin the wheel and see who the winner is. So let's go back to the video. I'm going to grab the link for Sandy Grant's video. We'll put that in and see who our next person is. Sandy had 20 comments on her video. And Gwen Jackson is the name that goes into the wheel from Sandy's site. Nice job, Gwen. It's always fun when I see familiar names. I love that. Okay. Next, I'm going to get the one from Marissa from My Scrappiness. We'll put hers in. And Marissa has 23 comments on her video. So the comment that gets, Gwen Jackson again. Gwen has gotten busy doing her commenting. So she is the name on from both of these channels. So we always say, make sure you comment on every video you see, because that gives you more chances to win. That's a good example. All right, so this last name comes from Beatrice's site. This is from Crafty Bee's Corner. Let's get hers in. Sorry for all the hopping back and forth, you guys. It's just the only way to do it and let you see it. So otherwise, I feel like you would think I was not being honest. So, all right, so we had 23 comments on this video. And Mary Wethington is the name from Beatrice's channel. So let's get her in here. All right, are you guys ready? Here goes the spin. And we'll see who the lucky winner of a template set is. Haha, Gwen, that extra entry pays off. So Gwen Jackson is our winner this time. And Gwen will be in touch to let you choose which set of Kiwi Lane templates you'd like. And Sandy Grant is taking care of that gift this month. So she will be the one getting that out to you. Congratulations, and we'll see you later in December. Bye-bye.